Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years. What's left is not the fame, but the work and family.
You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view.
I had training which consisted of my parents sending me to a Catholic military school. We were marching and praying.
I have plans beyond your wildest dreams.
Jacques Tourneur kept saying to me, Greg, can't you common up your speech a little bit? Make it more audience-friendly. My last director in the theater used to sit in the balcony and he wanted to hear every consonant and every vowel. So I suppose, having had stage training, I was pretty green as regards film acting.
What did you expect?
I had made a film called The Gunfighter. A few months later, along came Stanley Kramer with a script called High Noon, and I read it. I said, well, this is The Gunfighter all over again. So I said no. And Gary Cooper said yes, and won the Academy Award, and it became a timeless classic Western film.
You're not still blaming me for what you did.
I was making a picture with Ava Gardner, and strolling down the streets of the studio, people would stop stock still from the grips to the executives to watch Ava go by. So it seems to me that it was more fun. Did you ever hear the expression, tall, dark, and handsome? I don't say that I deserve this appellation, but nevertheless, that's the way I was known for many years.
I'm just overwhelmed by all this attention, Miss Prescott.
Stand up. Your father's passing.